Hi guys, welcome back. It's me. So today we are opening my new Peachy Babies slime order. Peachy Babies is a great YouTube. It's a great show for kids. And I watch it every day. And they make really good slimes. So let's get into it. So I'm going to cut this open. You might need adult supervision with this part. And then here we have my slime. Been waiting on it. Okay, I got the Baby X bottle. And then it comes with, oh my goodness, a sticker, slime care cheat sheet, activator, and a bracelet, and a receipt. And then let's open this bag. Okay, the slime here. And then here's my cute little sticker, and then here's another one. Look at this cute bracelet. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, I hear it. What? It's so crackly. So this is the activator spray, just in case. A bracelet. Sorry. Okay, now we are going to take out the slime. It feels like a Rice Krispie treat. You hear that, guys? That's the sound of a good slime. So good. I've been waiting all night to feel this. It's like a cloud cream. This can't be a snow butter, it's a cloud cream. Have you guys ever seen Peachy Babies? Well, they make different kinds of slime, like cloud cream, thick, glossy, clear, anything. So, I'm going to play with it and now enjoy the ride. Where's the axle? The baby It's so cute. Now we have a little baby axolotl charm. I got this because I knew that my friend, if she was watching, my friend Louisa, if she was watching, that she would love this. So, this one is for you. I'm going to save the charm. Do you guys see that? That's the texture of good slime. This is way better. So, I hope you liked this video. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell when I make more videos. Bye!